These hidden Samsung S26 features completely change how you use it. Share files between Samsung and Apple devices. Open the Settings app on your Samsung device. Tap Connected Devices. Select Quick Share. Scroll and look for the option Share with Apple devices. Turn on the toggle to enable this feature. Now, open the photo or file you want to share. Tap the Share icon. Select Quick Share from the sharing options. Choose the nearby iPhone or Apple device. Your file will be shared directly from your Samsung device to the Apple device. Resize home screen folders. Open the Good Lock app. Make sure the Home Up module is installed. Open Home Up. Turn Home Up on. Select Home Screen. Scroll down until you find Large Folders. Turn Large Folders on. Tap Large Folders to open its settings. Select Custom. From here, customize the folder size to match your home screen layout. Now go back to your home screen. Press and hold any enlarged folder. Small resize handles will appear around the folder. Drag any handle to resize it. Make the folder larger or smaller depending on your preference. Adjust the size and shape until it fits your home screen perfectly. Create custom keyboard gestures. Open the Good Lock app. Find and select Keys Cafe. Tap the keyboard icon at the bottom. Select gestures from the available options. Turn on Use two-finger gestures. Now, you can assign a different action to each swipe direction. For example, set swipe up to select all. Set swipe down to copy. Set swipe left to paste. And set swipe right to open the emoji keyboard. Once everything is set up, open your keyboard and try it out. Swipe up with two fingers to select all the text. Swipe down with two fingers to copy it. Open another app, such as Instagram, then swipe left with two fingers to instantly paste the copied text. You can customize these gestures with other actions based on how you use your keyboard. Create custom sticker sets. Open the Creative Studio app. Tap Create a Sticker. Tap the picture icon. Choose any photo you want to turn into a sticker. Once the photo loads, tap the Style icon. Choose your preferred style, such as pixel art. Tap Generate. Wait a few seconds while your phone creates the sticker. Your S26 will create a sticker from the picture, and the result can be surprisingly accurate. Edit photos with generative editing. Open the Gallery app. Select the photo you want to edit. Tap the Edit icon. From the options at the bottom, select Create. Type a description of the change you want to make. For example, type, change the background to a restaurant. Tap Generate and wait while AI transforms the photo. This makes it easy to transform your photos without using a separate editing app. Organize your screenshots. Open the Gallery app. Go to the Screenshots folder. Your screenshots can be organized into different categories, making them easier to find. For example, shopping-related screenshots can appear together in a relevant category. Your Galaxy will scan your screenshots and show relevant matches. Hide screenshot bars. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Select Screenshots and Screen Recordings. Look for Hide Status and Navigation bars. Turn on the toggle. Now, whenever you take a screenshot, Samsung will automatically hide the status and navigation bars. This removes unnecessary information from the top and bottom of your screenshots. Add cinematic filters to videos. Open the Camera app. Go to Camera Settings. Find and select video formats. Turn on Log. Tap Log to open its additional settings. Enable Log for both video and Pro Video modes. Now, return to the camera and switch to video mode. You'll see the log option at the top of the screen. Log footage normally looks flat, dull, and less colorful, giving you more flexibility for editing. But Samsung also lets you quickly apply different cinematic looks. Tap the log option to access the available movie filters. Choose the filter that best matches your video. For example, Blockbuster creates a dramatic teal and orange movie-style look. Try the other available filters to find the style you prefer. Turn on night mode. Open the Camera app. When the camera detects a dark environment, look for the small night icon on the screen. Tap the night icon to activate it. You can leave the capture time on auto, or select max to use the longest available exposure time. Hold your phone steady and tap the shutter button. Wait until the photo finishes capturing before moving your phone. Night mode captures more light and detail in dark scenes. Choose Side Button AI. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Select Side Button. Tap Long Press. Here, you'll see available assistant options like Bixby and Google Assistant. Tap the settings icon next to the digital assistant option. From here, you may see other supported assistants, such as Perplexity. Tap other apps to view additional available assistants. Depending on the apps installed on your phone, options may include ChatGPT or Claude. Select the AI assistant you want to use. Now press and hold the side button to launch your chosen assistant. Each assistant has its own interface and features, so choose the one that works best for you. Use Audio Eraser on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and start playing a video. While the video is playing, swipe down to open the quick panel. Look for the Audio Eraser option and click on it. Toggle on the Audio Eraser option. Increase the effect strength to max for stronger processing. Return to the Instagram video and continue playing it. Background sounds should be reduced, making dialogue easier to hear. This can be especially useful for podcasts, interviews, tutorials, and other voice-heavy videos. Add a custom unlock animation. Open the Good Lock app. Find and select Lockstar. Tap the Lockstar option to open its customization settings. Look for Unlock Animation. Turn on the Unlock Animation feature. Browse through the available animation effects. Select the effect you want to use. Once you're finished, lock your phone. Unlock it again, and you'll see your new custom animation in action. Add edge lighting when unlocking. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Modes and Routines. Switch to the Routines tab at the bottom. Tap the plus icon at the top to create a new routine. Under If, tap the plus button. Find and select Unlock with Fingerprint. Tap Done to confirm. Under Then, tap the plus button. Scroll down and select Effects. Tap Edge Lighting Effect. Choose and customize your preferred lighting style. Once everything looks good, tap Save. Now, whenever you unlock your phone with your fingerprint, your custom edge lighting effect will automatically appear. Move the brightness and volume sliders. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Tap the pencil icon to enter edit mode. You'll see small handles around the available controls. Grab the handle on the volume slider and drag it down. Do the same with the brightness slider. Once finished, exit edit mode to save your layout. Now, your brightness and volume controls are much easier to access with one hand. Add Finder to the home screen. Press and hold an empty area on your home screen. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down. Find Show Finder on home screen. Turn on the toggle. Now, a Finder button will appear directly on your home screen. Tap it whenever you need to quickly search your phone. You can use Finder to locate apps, photos, videos, files, and other content. This gives you a much faster way to find what you need without searching manually. And that's it.